environment, atmosphere, biodegradable, biodiversity, carbon, climate, coal, compost, conservation, contaminant, contamination, deforestation, disposable, diversity, ecology, ecosystem, emission, endangered, energy, environment, environmentalist, erosion, fossil fuel, global warming, groundwater, habitat, herbicide, landfill, methane, nuclear energy, organic, ozone layer, pesticide, petroleum, pollutant, pollution, radiation, rain, forest, recycle, renewable, smog, solar, sustainable, toxic, toxic waste, waste, wetland, wildlife,